Hi, I'm Paul Pasolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at Test 1, Section 4, number 19, which reads, a food truck sells salads for $6.50 each and drinks for $2 each. The food truck's revenue from selling a total of 209 salads and drinks in one day was $836.50. How many salads were sold that day? Okay. You could set this up like a system of equations, but if you didn't get this right, we're going to look at a little strategic approach where you could still get it right without knowing exactly how to set it up like a system of equations, and we will set it up like a system of equations. And what we're going to do is we're going to use our answer choices. Now, when you use your answer choices, where do you want to start? Top, bottom, or middle? We want to start in the middle, because then if an answer choice is wrong, we could eliminate more than one answer choice, and you're going to see that in action right now. So let's test out answer choice C, 99. We got to test it out based on what the question's asking. Question is, how many salads were sold that day? So let's say that there are 99 salads. Well, those salads are $6.50 each. So if I multiply those numbers, I'll put our little calculator over here. We've got 99 times 6.5, and we get $643.50. Now we're allowed to do that because this is with Calc Math section. If there are a total of 209 salads and drinks and there's 99 salads, if we subtract there, then notice what we get. We get 110 drinks. So what do we do with that 110 drinks? Well, drinks are $2 each. So if we multiply by 2, we get 220. What do we do with that 220? Well, it tells us that they get the total revenue is $836.50. So we're going to see if that's true here by adding your $643.50 and your $220, and you get 0.5368, $863.50. Notice what they did. $863.50. The correct answer is $836.50. They look so similar. The only thing that's the 3 and the 6 are flipped. Don't fall in that trap. That's not our correct answer. You want to ask yourself, is that answer choice too big or too small? Well, salads are more expensive than drinks, and your price, you wind up with more revenue than the problem mentions. So answer choice C is too big, and so is answer choice D. And that's why I want to start with one of the middle answer choices, because if you do, you could test out, you could eliminate more than one answer choice as if one is wrong. So now what we're going to test out is answer choice B, 93. So it's $6.50 for each salad, and according to answer choice B, you have 93 salads. If we multiply those numbers, pull out our calculator, and we get clear 6.5 times 93, and you get 604.50. And if we've got 93 salads, remember there's 209 total between salads and drinks. If you subtract that 93, you wind up with 6 here and 11 here, 116. Now, drinks are $2 a piece. If we multiply there, we wind up with 232. And if we add your 604 to your $232 worth of drinks, $604.50 worth of salads, we add them up, we get 0.5, we get 6, we get 3, we get 8. $836.50, that's what you're looking for. Answer choice B is your correct answer. Okay. Now, how do you want to do it? If you could set it up like a system of equations, that would be better. It's usually less time consuming than using your answer choices. And that's a pretty good rule of thumb, is if you know how to set up a problem algebraically, it's usually better than using your answer choices. And it depends, picking numbers, maybe not. Maybe not using your answer choices. But for this one, so I'm going to use S for salads and D for drinks. I'm a big fan of doing that instead of using x and y. You want a connection between the variable and what it represents. The only thing is that s looks like a 5, so I'm going to make sure my s looks like an s as much as possible. So that's an s plus d equals, so let s stand for the number of salads, d stand for the number of drinks. You want to make a note of that. For the sake of time, I'm not going to write it down. And that's equal to 209. Now, if s is the number of salads and it's $6.50 per salad, then 6.5d, 6.5s, plus 2d, because drinks are $2 each, is going to equal $836.50. When you look at this, they're both just about in standard form. We'd want to eliminate is probably a little bit easier. You could substitute as well, but I'm just going to multiply this by -2. And when I do so, I get -2.0. You got to line up those decimals, s, and it's going to be minus 2d equals -418. Make sure you distribute to everything 0.00. And then when you subtract them down, here you get 4.5s equals, and here we get 0.50, we get an 8, we get a 1, and we get a 4. So 4.5s equals $418.50. If we divide both sides by 4.5, you're going to see, grab my handy dandy calculator, we've got 418.5 divided by 4.5, and we get our 93, which is once again our answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble translating word problems to systems of equations or does not know that you could pick numbers. If there's any question you'd like to see posted for any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.